Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja oyango ni en adier ni nyathi achiel e kind ang'wen e boma ma Nairobi osebedo ka koso dhi e skul nikech nok mar chiemo, gino mamiyo chako chenro mar chwalo chiemo ne nyithi skunde motisi ni dishi na kaonti. Chenro no osemiyo nyithi skul mohewo 200,000 oyudo chiemo makare pile ka pile nengo mar Sh5 kende, ka bende oting'o malo kwan mar nyithindo madonjo e sikunde primar kod atamalo 26. Gavana Sakaja koro nigi geno ni kochopo e tam mar 3 to kwan nyithindo ma chenrono ero mar chiemo dhi konyo dhi chopo 300,000.
1 out of 4 children in our city miss school or don't go to school because of hunger. And I promised if I became governor, I would make sure that no child misses school because of hunger. I am proud to say today that program that people laughed at when we launched, we broke ground and we've built 10 kitchens. Today we serve 200,000 children every day at 5 shillings. At only 5 shillings. We're building now 7 more kitchens, and we intend in third term to have all 310,000 children in our primary schools, public primary schools, feeding. Enrollment has gone up by 26%. I was going there to consult with the Director of Education in Nairobi, and that's the number. We were at 250,000 children in school. Today, there are 310,000 just because of feeding. The most amazing thing is not just the statistics, it's the joy that these children have. If you see them walking back home, they are skipping, they are laughing, they will not miss a day of school, but they're not finishing the food we give them, 600 grams of healthy food. They're packing it and taking it back home to their siblings and sometimes to their parents.